So as this is the demo session, we are waiting for the students to join. That is the reason we started the session late. Regular class timing is 9 p.m. 9 9 to 10. Class will be 9 to 10. So myself, Madhuri.
Yes, ma'am.
Course is Linux administration. Okay. Duration 1 month. Timing 9 to 10 p.m. Excuse me. And this Monday to Friday. Classes will be from Monday to Friday. So in this course, we'll start the session from the basics. We'll start the classes with the basics. Installation to complete Linux, we will discuss here. Okay. So if you don't know anything about Linux also, if you have zero knowledge in networking also, nothing to worry about that, because from zero level, we'll start the sessions. Okay. Very basics we will start. Why Linux? What is Linux? Why Linux? How to install Linux? We'll start everything from the basics.
Yes, ma'am.
So, Ravi, are you working?
No, ma'am. Currently not working. Currently I'm searching.
I don't know why your voice is very low.
Now audible, madam.
Can you message me once?
Hello.
Are you working, Ravi?
No, currently not working, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So 9 o'clock is timing is sufficient, right? Then done. So classes will be from 9 to 10 regular classes. Only demo classes or in this time 8 p.m. And the classes daily you will get the recording videos. Whatever the concept we are discussing, daily you will get the recording videos through mail. And whatever concept I'm explaining, once completion of the concept, I will share the notes like this. I'll make a note and I will share the notes like this. Whatever concept I will explain, I will share the notes. Okay. And there will be Telegram group also. Group means that is not the public group where you're getting all the information about the upcoming batches. It is not that. There is separate group for the students. Like when the batch started, we'll create a group for the students. So whatever the concept I will explain, the concept I will share the notes on the Telegram. So for every batch, there will be batch like this. When something concept is explained, I will share the notes. Immediately, I'll share the notes. Okay. And not only for that, if you have any doubts, like after finishing the class or before theory session, if you are doing the practicals, if you have any doubts, you can drop a message there also. So I'll respond, and that group will be permanent. It is not, there is no time period for the Telegram group. So that group is permanent. So if you want, I mean, in future also, if you have any doubts, if you have any queries, you can message me there. Okay. So do you have any knowledge in Linux operating system? Ravi, you have any knowledge in Linux operating system? Okay. Bindu, what about you? Do you have any knowledge in operating system, Linux? Done. So basics, I will start. If you know also, still I will start the basics. Then only I will go with the further sessions. From basic server configurations, everything, system administration and network administration, we'll see here. So here, first, today is the demo session, like introduction part. And tomorrow I'll explain about the features of Linux. Means what is Linux, why we are learning Linux, why people are switching to Linux, what are the advantages we have in Linux, that I will explain. And after that, file system hierarchy model I will tell, means what are the directives you will get by default along with the operating system, that I will explain. Okay. And after that, I'll show how to install the operating system and basic commands will start. Means how to log in into computer. Okay, what are the username and password we give? How to log in? After entering to the operating system, where we execute the commands, and what are the basic commands we have? Like how to check files, how to create files, how to delete files, how to create folders, how to copy, how to paste, how to rename, how to move from one location to another location, how many types of files we have. A very basics first we will see. Because Linux is not known operating system to everyone. So I will explain everything from basics only. Once basics are completed, I'll explain filter commands, or we can say basic shell command. And after that, I'll explain about user administration. Then group administration, what is user, what is group, that will explain. And after that, see, if you already know the basics, just join to the 9 p.m. class, because already basics are started. We just started basics there. Okay, OS installation is completed. So basics started in 9 p.m. batch. So if you join in the 9 p.m. batch means even the previous sessions, what are the classes are completed, the sessions recording video you will get. So in previous classes, I just give demo class, and after like introduction class one day, then one day is features of Linux, and one day file system hierarchy model and how to install the operating system that I explained. Okay, so if you join in the 9 p.m. batch means, so you can start with the basics. Also, you'll get the recording videos. That is your wish. And the classes will be very clear. I'll not go fast. In the classroom, if you have any doubts while explaining something, if I'm explaining something in the classroom, if you have any doubts, you can ask me there itself. Okay, you can clarify your doubts. And also, as I told you, there is a Telegram group. You can also message me there for any doubts, queries. Daily, after finishing the class, I will share the notes in the Telegram group. Recording video means you will get from the DURGASOFT admin team. You will get that into your Google Drive. Okay, the concepts what we are going to learn in Linux that I'm explaining here. User administration, group administration. Then after that, file permission. And after that, access control list. ACLs is nothing but advanced file permission. After that, we'll see about partitions. How to create the partitions after entering to the operating system that I will explain. After that, how to create the swap partition means virtual memory and what is the use of that. And after that, LVMs, logical volume manager. In real time, we create partitions using LVMs only. So that also we'll see here. And after that, RAID. What is RAID? How to configure RAID? That we'll see here. And after that, I'll explain about network introduction. Like how to assign IP address, how to check the connectivities that I will show. And after that, backup and restore. How to take backup from one PC to another PC. What is the use of backup and how to restore the data back that I will explain. Then package management. RPM and M are the package managers which are used for installing, uninstalling, updating, and checking the packages means application software. So about this, I will explain introduction I will give. Then I will show how to configure YAM. And after that, data sharing servers. Like NFS, Samba, FTP I'll explain, then DHCP, Apache Web Server, DNS, NIS. Also, we have some topics also in middle. These are the main concepts we will discuss here. Okay, so as I told you, again, I'm telling classes, I will explain slowly only. Okay, and any doubts, you can message me. You can message me here. You can ask me doubts. You can message me on the Telegram group also, not an issue. Okay, so you want to ask me anything, you can ask me now. If you are willing to join in the course, just attend just inform to the admin team now and attend the batch, 9 p.m. batch. No, you don't, you want to attend demo session. Attend tomorrow demo session at 8 p.m. Try to log in on the time 8 p.m. so that I will explain the features of Linux operating system. If you think that you are able to understand the concept what I'm explaining, you can continue with the course. Okay, so if you want, you can attend demo tomorrow. No problem. Today, I just gave what we are going to learn in Linux administration course and what is the timings. That information only I gave here. Okay, so if you want to listen one demo session at 8 p.m. tomorrow, you can join. Okay, so we'll meet tomorrow. Thank you for the session.